Well. Those wins this morning, yeah, they were little bit on the crazy side to say the least. Wanted to go over a couple of things that we saw this morning while we were out in the storm tracker. First up, we'll talk about the traffic light. There was a traffic light off of Highway 65. This was at exit 79 and University Avenue. That was the exit that a traffic light actually came down from the wind, and it was down for quite a while. Came down just after 4 a.m. That's according to the Polk County Sheriff's Department. They were on scene there. But crews, it was too windy to get them up into their buckets to actually go up and try and fix that light, or at least try to move it and get it out of the way. And then it was a semi that had blown over from the strong winds. This was off of I-35 at Cumming and exit 65. It looked like a semi was in the northbound lanes, and the wind blew it right over, and it tipped and fell over. You can see right here below me, there was some damage to the side of the truck, of course, when it tipped over. So even though we maybe didn't see the blizzard across north central Iowa, even though there was still blowing snow and blizzard-like conditions at times, those winds were still very impactful throughout this Wednesday morning. And thankfully, things are calming down, but we've got a whole lot more in the forecast. So stay tuned for that.